Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Do you feel like your profile photos could use a refresh and a bit of improvement? In this video, I will show you a quick method that I personally like to use to create a reimagined version of yourself. Let's go. Even though there are tons of AI programs that turn text into pictures, I picked this one in particular. It's newer than its competitors, but already packed with advanced models and features to help you create consistent characters for your content. Unlike other AI generators, these models aren't based on real people. They're custom-made and you won't find them anywhere else, so your characters will feel truly original. Yes, it costs money, but it's not much compared to other AI tools, and it's definitely a good investment if you plan to use it a lot. If you want to give it a try, click my link below to sign up and get some free credits to make your own pictures. Creating unique and consistent AI characters depends on how well you write your instructions. A prompt, which is just the text you give to the AI, needs to be very detailed, including things like their body type, build, and even what they're wearing to get the best possible results. But if you're not sure how to write a good prompt, the tool also offers a prompt assistance feature where you can either use standard improvements or choose a custom style that matches your vision. Lastly, you need to choose a model. Each model shows you an example of what it can create, so pick the one that fits your needs. For even more control, head over to the Advanced settings. Here, you'll find the negative prompt option, which lets you tell the AI what you don't want in your picture. Try combining different negative prompts like extra limbs, distorted face, blurry, or low resolution to fine-tune your results. You can also adjust the prompt guidance scale to better match the images to your text instructions, with options such as creativity, steps, and strength. Then you can choose the shape and size of the image, and how many versions you want. Just remember that requesting multiple versions will use more of your credits. Meanwhile, the sampler setting controls how the AI actually builds your images. Each one works slightly differently, and the best choice depends on what you're creating. Personally, I've had the best results using Euler A or DPM++2M, but feel free to experiment. If you want to create consistent characters or generate images based on a picture of yourself or something else, turn on Control Net and set the Control Net type to Super Clone. Next, turn off presets and upload your reference image. Just make sure the file is less than 1 megabyte. After uploading, simply click Generate and wait for the AI to create your images. Let's check how mine turned out. As you can see, the images are much improved, while still retaining enough of the original to keep the characters consistent. Remember, all the images you create are stored in your albums, so you can view or download them whenever you want. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video, or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.